Oh yes, did you enjoy our last phonics class? It was fun, wasn't it? I liked to do phonics and sing a song. Now, last time, what letters did we do? Do you remember? Do you? What? That's right. S, T, T, and U. Ah, well done. Now, what comes after the letter U? Did you say it? V, that's right, V. And what sound does the letter V make? What? Oh, that's right. Very good. And what word starts with V? Do you know? What about something you can drive that's quite big with sliding doors? Van, that's right, well done, van. Excellent. And what about something that you can put a beautiful bunch of flowers in? What's that called? The vase, very good. And this one I'm thinking of is a bit scary. He has big teeth and he goes at night like a bat. Did you guess? Yes, the vampire. Oh, I hope you're not scared. Very good. Now, let's do the words one more time. You remember we have three. Van, vase, and vampire. Good job. Shall we sing the song? Yes? Okay, here we go. V is for vampire. Vampire. V is for van. Van. V is for vase. Vase. These are the sounds that the letter V makes. Ta-da! Did you sing? Did your brother and sister sing? Sing with me. Let's try again. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
V is for vampire. Vampire. V is for van. Van. V is for vase. Vase. These are the sounds that the letter V makes. Yada! Well done! Did everybody sing along? Great! Good job! Now, what comes after the letter V? What's next? That's right! W! W! And what sound does W make? What sound? That's right! W. Not V like V. W like this. W. Oh, very good. Now, what can you think of that starts with the sound W? I'll give you a clue. What's that? Oh, that's right! Wind! Well done! Wind! And another one. What do you wear? And you can tell the time. That's right! Watch! Good job! And what's this? What laughs like this? What's that? That's right! A wicked witch! A witch! Witch! Very good! Oh, that's 3 words! There's witch, watch, and wind! Shall we sing? Are you ready? Okay, here we go! W is for witch, witch. W is for watch, watch. W is for wind, wind. These are the sounds that the letter W makes. Well done! Now, I know we have to do it again. You know why? Because everybody has to sing and dance, not just you. Are you ready? Let's go again. W is for witch, witch. W is for watch, watch. W is for wind, wind. These are the sounds that the letter W makes. Ta-da! Well done! Everybody did it really well. Now, we've got one more letter today. Can you think what it is? We've had Viva, W, and yes, that's right, X. And what sound does the letter X make? X makes the sound, that's right, like that. Yes. Huh? Very good. Now, I can't think of many words with X. X. Can you think of words that start with X? What is there? Let me show you a bit. If you have two sticks and you go, what's that? Xylophone. Well done. Yes, a xylophone. And another one, when you go to see the doctor and they take a picture of your bones. What's that? X-ray. Well done. Yes. I can only think of two. If you can think of one more, that's great. I think today we're going to sing our song with two words because X is very difficult. We have X-ray and xylophone, and that's it. So let's try. Are you ready? X is for X-ray, X-ray, for xylophone, xylophone. These are the sounds that the letter X makes. I know, it's a bit short that one, but there's no one other words to use. So let's try one more time and see if we can do it, okay? Are you ready? X is for X-ray, X-ray, xylophone, xylophone. These are the sounds that the letter X makes. Ta-da! Did you get that? Yes! That's a very difficult letter. There's many words that finish with X, but not that start with X. That's the problem, okay? Maybe in another one, we'll look at the ones that finish with X, okay? But that's it for today. We've done Viva, W, and X, okay? So we'll see you soon, and don't forget to check our Facebook page on Coaching English. And I'll see you for the last one very soon. Okay, bye-bye.